Hey guys, this is me today. I want to show you a new review. It's me, Cohen Touch It. So, today we're going to be looking at the awesome Joker. So as you can see on the back, here's all the characters. So that's the one we're going to be looking to. As you can see, we just got the arms. First part getting the Suicide Squad toy. So, now it just comes without hands, but you know, like if he's like shirtless, you know, he'll come with the, hands. And now we're gonna be opening. So, it's pretty awesome. That you guys think, it's just that. My first time doing a review, so we're going to be opening them now. So, this is a cool looking guy. Look back in here, you can see his cool tattoos. And the other side, it's saying ha ha, ha ha. And then, look down here, you can see his tattoos still. I think I like it. He is pretty cool. So, he can, still do this and crunch over. And he can really move his, arm really, really good. And his hair is, black and green mixed up. And now we're going to be taking a look at the gun. So, which is Joker's. So Joker's is green and silver. So if y'all like this review, give me a thumbs up or not. So here is his gun. You can see the trigger and everything. It's purple. And it's really freaking cool. So, as you can see right here, that's the part where you, cock it on the movie. And then now, for the knife. I don't know why they painted the whole thing purple, but the right here supposed to be silver. Like this kind of silver. And I really do like this. As you can see, it says China, and on the gun it says China. See right here, it says China. So now we're going to be taking a look at the arms. I think they are. Pretty cool. This is for Killer Croc. And okay, we got them undone, and now they have gold stuff strapped, and the other gold stuff. And I hope y'all enjoyed this review, and have a great day. Peace out.